And welcome to the online viewing for 15 Southminster Drive. This is a spacious 2-bedroom bungalow which has ample off-road parking here at the front, leading around to the double garage. The property is located in a cul-de-sac position and also has no onward chain. And then moving into the property, and we have the porch opening into the hallway here, where we also have access into the loft space, and we can go through to the main reception room, really nice size, which also has sliding doors through to the conservatory. Into the kitchen, really well presented property. From here we can also go into the conservatory here, which overlooks the rear garden. Really good space. We also have the utility room, which leads on to the double garage through this door here. And the garage currently used for storage purposes. And then back around to the front of the property, where we have the first bedroom, which has fitted wardrobes, nice aspect to the front of the house, and also the benefit of an ensuite shower room. Bedroom 2 also having fitted wardrobes and also an aspect facing towards the front of the property. And we also have the modern fitted bathroom, which has a separate shower in here as well. Just look back at the property from here as well. And that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please call the office as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.